Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Etekcity EBS-C121-KUS digital body scale, featuring a sleek tempered glass design, precise sensors, and a clear backlit display. With step-on technology and a slim modern build, it makes tracking your weight quick, accurate, and effortless for everyday use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Etekcity EBS-C121-KUS digital body scale, 1.5-volt AAA batteries pre-installed, quick start guide, product features. The scale features a modern tempered glass platform with an ultra-slim profile that easily blends into any bathroom, bedroom, or living space. Its minimalist look gives it a premium feel, while also making it lightweight and easy to store when not in use. Equipped with high-precision sensors, it ensures consistent and accurate weight readings every time you step on. The advanced measurement system helps reduce fluctuations, giving you more reliable data to track your fitness progress over time. The bright LED screen provides clear and instant readings that are easy to see from any angle. Even in dim lighting or early mornings, the display remains sharp and readable, making everyday use simple and convenient. Beyond body weight tracking, the scale can also measure lightweight items such as packages, groceries, or pets starting from around 100 grams. This added flexibility makes it a practical tool for both fitness and everyday household needs. Technical specifications. Product overview. The Etekcity EBS-C121-KUS digital body scale features a premium 6mm tempered glass platform and a full coverage base designed for maximum stability and safety. On the top surface, an extra-large high-contrast LED display provides clear readability for measurements ranging from a 100-gram minimum up to a 400-pound, 180-kilogram maximum capacity. This high-precision hardware utilizes a dual-step increment system and double-check technology for verified accuracy, while the underside is equipped with 4 durable anti-skid paddings to prevent sliding. The bottom also houses the battery compartment for 3 1.5-volt AAA batteries and a dedicated unit conversion button to toggle between pounds, kilograms, and stones. Designed for efficiency, the scale includes a customizable auto-off function and a step-on activation system, making it a reliable standalone tool for users of all ages. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. The Etekcity EBS-C121-KUS uses a 6mm tempered glass top and a simple lightweight floor scale design, while the Eufy Smart Scale P2 Pro also uses tempered glass, but with a more premium reinforced smart sensor build and integrated bioimpedance system for advanced tracking. The Etekcity focuses on a basic durable structure without smart hardware inside, while the Eufy P2 Pro includes built-in smart sensors and internal circuitry designed for full body composition analysis. The Etekcity scale features a large LED display that shows only body weight with simple unit switching, pounds, kilograms, or stones, while the Eufy P2 Pro has a similar LED display, but shows limited information on screen and shifts detailed metrics to the mobile app. The Etekcity prioritizes instant on-scale reading for quick weight checks, while the Eufy P2 Pro prioritizes app-based visualization of health data for deeper tracking. The Etekcity model works completely offline with no Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or app connectivity and focuses only on basic weight measurement, while the Eufy P2 Pro supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity with full smart app integration. The Etekcity provides simple step-on weighing without data syncing, while the Eufy P2 Pro offers multi-user profiles, health trends, and body composition tracking through the Eufy Life app. The Etekcity scale supports up to 400 pounds with dual-step precision for basic weight accuracy and quick stabilization readings, while the Eufy P2 Pro also supports up to 400 pounds but adds advanced bioimpedance accuracy for multiple body metrics. The Etekcity focuses purely on weight measurement with simple precision increments, while the Eufy P2 Pro extends accuracy into body fat, muscle mass, BMI, and other health indicators. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.